Okay, we're looking at rounding to a given number of significant figures. Now, the whole point of rounding is to get a number that's easier to work with, and basically to make our job a bit easier. All right, so here we go. So round 5.875 to two significant figures. So here we go, 5.875. Now, there's the first significant figure. There's the second. Alright, and there's the third, etc., etc. Now I'm rounding at that point, okay, because I want to round to two significant figures. Now the 7 determines whether the 8 rounds up or stays the same, and because the 7 is 5 or more, we need to round that up. Okay, good. So let's rub that out, and I'll do the next one in a different colour. Where are we? There we go. Okay, so next colour we'll do red. There we go. So next one, it says round 3,245. So 3, 2, 4, 5 to one significant figure. One significant figure will be after there. Okay, and we've got 3 because the 2 is less than 5, isn't it? Okay. But we can't just leave it as 3 because 3 is nowhere near what we started with. But it's 3 thousands, and then the other place values up to the decimal point we fill up with zeros, and 3,000 would be 3,245 rounded to one significant figure. Okay, right, get my rubber out again, here we go. There we go. And I'll do the final one in blue. Okay, so blue, it says 0.096. That says round that to one significant figure. Now then, with this, you might be fooled into thinking that the zeros are significant. But the trouble is, we round that to one significant figure, you just get 0, and that doesn't really help anyone. So we're going to ignore the zeros at the beginning, and so this would be the first significant figure. This would be the second, so I'm going to be rounding here. Now, the 6 means that the 9 is going to round up, okay, but that becomes a 10. So actually what we're going to end up with is this, okay. So it's a little bit confusing. It's going to have a sort of knock-on effect. Basically, the 6 rounds the 9 up to a 10, and so the 100ths column becomes a 0, the 10ths column becomes a 1. Anyway, hope that's clear.